Hello children, welcome to today's mark making. Today we've got a stretchy sound. Let's have a look at his sound and shape. This is the sound net. And today's writing rhyme is down Nobby, over his net. Can you help me? Great. Let's see what's in the tray today. Oh, we've got paint. Yellow messy paint. Oh, I like messy paint. I wonder what writing tool I'm going to use today. Magic finger isn't going in the paint today. One of the writing tools are. But you can put your magic finger in the paint. Don't forget to wash your hands after though. Today I've got a toy hammer, a pencil, a paintbrush, a wooden spoon and a stick. Can you guess which one I'm going to use? Did you guess? Yep, I'm going to use the paintbrush. Don't forget your froggy fingers. Okay, let's remember the writing rhyme. Down Nobby, over his net. Are you ready to help me? Let's start at the top. Down Nobby, over his net. Wow! Look at that! Can you have a go? Thank you.